Today's unboxing video is going to be a little bit differently. I'm actually not unboxing, I am boxing something. So this is the eVOLV 200 Pro kit case from FlashPoint. So for those of you who love and adore the eVOLV 200 or the 8200 as much as I do, you get accessories for it. You get the round head and you get the round head accessory kit for it. But the box that the 200 comes in only holds the 200, its charger and cable, the battery, light stand kit, and flash bulb. So you need to keep the round head kit and the round head accessory kit separately, but this puts it all together in one box. So we'll open it up. Here it is, nicely set up for all of your 200 and accessories. You can take the 200, pop it in there, the bulb in there, the battery in there. Here's a little hint: never leave the battery in any FlashPoint or Godox flash when you put it away. Always take the battery out. Now take the round head accessory kit and look how nicely it fits in there. The round head fits right in there. Charger, boom. Light stand, boom. And the barn doors. Now there's barn doors that come with the round head kit, but these are the barn doors for the Fresnel lens. And they can fit slide right in there. I don't think that's what it's designed for. I think it's to hold the charging cord, but I think it works perfectly like that, and the charging cord can go on top. And then the gel or the filters and the white card can slide right in the zipper pocket. And look at that, holds an entire 200 round head accessories, everything, all in one box. Much easier to carry around than 3 separate boxes. Again, that's the eVOLV 200 Pro kit case. Hope that helps.